Good morning, students. Today I will solve the questions of brain teaser, exponents, and radicals. Question 1. The exponential form of 2 square whole cube and total whole square. You know that x raised to the power n whole n equal to x raised to the power m into n. So here 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 whole square. 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 6 whole square equal to 2 raised to the power 6 into 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 12. So your answer is 2. Now question B, 2 raised to 2.7 multiply 10 cube equal to 2.7 by 10 cube equal to 2.7 by 1000 is equal to 0.0027. So your correct answer is 3. Similarly, question number 1E, 3 by 5 raised to the power 2x equal to 1. So 1 can be written as 3 by 5 raised to the power 0. Now here bases are same, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So their exponents are also equal. So 2x equal to 0, therefore x equal to 0. So your answer is 2. Now question B. Answer the following questions. Question BA, simplify 4 by 9 whole square raised to the whole 0 and total whole 5. So 2 by 4 whole square can be written as 2 by 4 4 by 9 raised to the power 2 multiply 0 whole 5. You know that 2 multiply 0 is 0. So 4 by 9 raised to the power 0 whole 5. So 4 by 9 raised to the power 0 multiply 5 equal to 4 by 9 raised to the power 0. That is 1. Because you have learned x is any non-zero rational number and x raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Now question number C, 3 by 7 whole cube and total raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 3 by 7 raised to the power 2x. Now 3 by 7 raised to the power 3 multiply minus 2 equal to 3 by 7 raised to the power 2x. Here 3 by 7 raised to the power 3 multiply minus 2 equal to minus 6 equal to 3 by 7 raised to the power 2x. Here bases are same, that is 3 by 7. So their exponents are equal. So 2x equal to minus 6. Therefore x equal to minus 6 by 2. Therefore x equal to minus 3. Now question number B, E, 11.2 multiply 10 raised to the power 7 equal to 11.2 by 10 raised to the power 7. So here is equal to 0.005 times 0 and 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7. Now question number 3, express the following as a rational number. 3 1 minus 1 by 2 whole cube raised to the power 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 into 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 6 equal to minus 2 raised to the power 6. Here 6 is even, here exponent is 6 which is an even number. So minus 2 raised to the power 6 equal to 64. Question number 3 2, 1 by 3 square whole minus 1 into 9 raised to the power minus 2. So it can be written as 3 square raised to the power 1 multiply 1 by 9 square equal to 3 square equal to 9, multiply 1 by 81, 9 1 j 9, 9 9 j 81 equal to 1 by 9. Question number 3. 16 by 25 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 by 5 raised whole minus 3. So it can be written as 25 by 16 divided by 5 by 4 whole cube. 25 by 16 divided by 5 by 4 whole cube, that equal to 125 by 64. 25 by 16 multiply 64 by 125. 16 1 j 16, 16 4 j 64. 25 1 j 25, 25 5 j 125 equal to 4 by 5. Another method, 16 by 25 divided by 4 by 5 minus 3 equal to 4 by 5 whole square raised total whole minus 1 divided by 4 by 5 minus 3 equal to 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole minus 3 equal to 4 by 5 raised to the power. Here bases are same and division sign, so 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 2 minus 3 equal to 4 by 5 minus 2 minus plus 3, so equal to 4 by 5 raised to the power 1, that is 4 by 5. Now question number 4, express the following in the exponential form. 2.5 raised to the power 4 divided by 1 by 2.5 whole square equal to 2.5 raised to the power 4 divided by 2.5 raised to the power minus 2 equal to 2.5 raised to the power 4 minus common bracket minus 2 equal to 2.5 raised to the power 6. Similarly, question number 4. 5 square multiply 5 raised to the power 5 divided by 5 raised to the power 10. Here bases are same 5 5, so exponent is added. So 5 raised to the power 2 plus 5, that is 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 10 equal to 1 by 5 raised to the power 10 minus 7 equal to 1 by 5 cube or 1 by 5 whole cube or 5 raised to the power minus 3. Question number 5, find the reciprocal of 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 whole cube. It can be written as 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 minus 3 equal to 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 5 equal to 3 by 2 raised to the power 5. And therefore, the reciprocal of 3 by 2 raised to the power 5 is 2 by 3 raised to the power 5 or 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 5. Similarly, you can do question number 3. Question number 6, 15 raised to the 15 cube whole minus 16. Express the given number as a single exponent of 15. So it can be written as 15 raised to the power 3 multiply minus 16 equal to 15 raised to the power minus 48. Question number 7. By what number should 7 raised to the power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product may be equal to 343 raised to the power minus 1? The required number equal to 343 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 2. It can be written as 343 can be written as 7 cube raised to the power minus 1 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 7 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 7 raised to the power minus 3 minus my common bracket minus 2. It can be written as 7 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2 equal to 7 raised to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 7. Another method also, let the required number be x. So 7 raised to the power minus 2 multiply x equal to 343 raised to the power minus 1. And now 7 raised to the power minus 2 multiply x equal to 343 can be written as 7 cube raised to the power minus 1. So x equal to 7 raised 7 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 2 equal to 7 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2 equal to 7 raised to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 7. Question number 10. By what number should 144 by 225 raised to the power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to 12 by 15 raised to the power minus 4? The required number equal to 144 by 225 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 12 by 15 raised to the power minus 4. 144 by 225 can be written as 12 by 15 whole square and total raised to the power minus 1 divided by 12 by 15 raised to the power minus 4. 12 by 15 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 12 raised to the power 15 12 raised to the power 15 raised to the power minus 4. Here bases are same and division sign in the middle. So 12 by 15 raised to the power minus 2 or minus common bracket minus 4 equal to 12 by 15 raised to the power minus 2 or minus minus plus 4. 4 minus 2 that is 2. So 12 by 15 raised to the power 2. Yeah, 12 by 15 whole square. Now question 11. Question 11. Write the following numbers in usual form. Here question is in exponential form. In scientific notation, write in the usual form. 5.3 multiply 10 raised to the power 5. Now it can be written as here 10 raised to the power 5. Yani power of 10 is positive integer. So decimal can be shift in 5 digits. So it can be written as 5 3 0 0 0 0 yani 53 equal to 53 followed 40. Now question number 12. Write the given number in scientific notation or exponential form. 7,062,850. It can be written in the exponential form or scientific notation. So it can be written as 7.6285 multiply 10 raised to the power 5. Similarly, you can do remaining questions. Question number 13. Simplify the following. 7 by 8 raised to the power minus 3 multiply 7 by 5 raised to the power 0 multiply 8 raised to the power minus 2 multiply 1 by 7 raised to the power minus 1. Now it can be written as 8 by 7 whole cube multiply 9 by 5 raised to the power 0. It can be written as 1. 8 raised to the power minus 2. It can be written as 1 by 8 square. 1 by 7 raised to the power minus 1. It can be written as 7. Now it is 8 cube by 7 cube multiply 7 by 8 square. Now 8 cube by 8 square multiply 7 by 7 cube. So 8 cube by 8 square can be written as 8 raised to the power 3 minus 2. And 7 by 7 cube it can be written as 7 raised to the power 3 minus 1 equal to 8 by 7 square equal to 8 by 49. Answer. Question number 14. The number 14. Express the number appearing the following statements in the form of k multiply 10 raised to the power n, where k lies between 1 to n and n is an integer. Write the write the numbers in scientific notation or exponential forms. The number of red blood cells per cubic meter of human blood equal to 5.5 millions. You know that 1 million equal to 10 lakh, that is 10 raised to the power 6. So it can be written as 5.5 millions equal to 5.5 into 10 raised to the power 6. Question number 16. If P by Q equal to 5 by 6 whole raised to the power minus 2 plus multiply 4 by 3 raised to the power 0, find the value of P by Q raised to the power minus 2. So first of all, find the value of P by Q. 5 by P by Q equal to 5 by 6 raised to the power minus 2 multiply 4 by 3 raised to the power 0. It can be written as 6 by 5 whole square multiply 1, that is 36 by 25. Now P by Q raised to the power minus 2, it can be written as 36 by 25 raised to the power minus 2 equal to 25 by 36 whole square equal to 25 square by 36 square. 25 square equal to 625 and 36 square equal to 1296. Now question HOTS questions. Expressed in exponential form or scientific notation. Write in exponential form. 256 by 81 by 64 multiply 729. So 256 can be written as 4 raised to the power 4. 81 can be written as 9 square and 64 can be written as 4 cube. 729 can be written as 9 cube equal to 4 raised to the power 4 by 4 cube multiply 9 square by 9 cube equal to 4 raised to the power 4 minus 3 multiply 1 by 9 raised to the power 3 minus 2 equal to 4 by 9, that is 2 by 3 whole square. Question number 2. If 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3 equal to 64 raised to the power x. Now it can be written as 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3 equal to 64 can be written as 2 raised to the power 6 whole x. Now 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3 equal to 2 raised to the power 6x. Here bases are same, so exponents are equal. So 2x minus 3 equal to 6x. 6x minus 2x equal to minus 3. So 4x equal to minus 3. Therefore x equal to minus 3 by 4. Answer. Now enrichment questions. X by y raised to the power a multiply y by z raised to the power a multiply z by x raised to the power a. Here exponents are equal a. So multiply the bases x by y multiply y by z multiply z by x whole a. So y cancel, z cancel, x cancel. So it can be written as 1 as a base and raised to the power a equal to 1. Answer. Question B. X raised to the power a by x raised to the power b multiply x raised to the power b multiply x raised to the power c multiply x raised to the power c multiply x raised to the power a. Of x raised to the power a by x raised to the power b, it can be written as x raised to the power a minus b multiply x raised to the power b minus c multiply x raised to the power c minus a equal to x raised to the power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. So here plus b minus b 0 plus c minus c 0 a minus a 0. So x raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.